Morning all, Nick here. Slight change of plans today. The weather in northern Greece is fairly atrocious, storm warning, things like that. So I've delayed my start just to try and get some of the lightning out of the way. But it's sort of I think I'm in between lightning stuff now. So I'm going to set off and slight change of plan. Instead of sort of aiming directly for Dubrovnik, which I sort of was, I'm going to take a slight detour through a town called Shkodër in Albania, with a view to spending the night there, and then take a day's detour to see one of the lakes, Lake Firs, I think it is. It's a canyon, so you can drive to the top of it, this lake, and then get a ferry, a 4-hour ferry down through the gorge, and then off the other end and drive back from there, or reverse, but that's the way I'm going to do it anyway. So see how that works out. So today the target is try and get close to Shkodër, and I'll see how that goes. That's 300 and something kilometres, but the roads have been a little bit more amenable to speed. Well, relatively speaking, at my pace. Anyway, getting on the road. See you later. Bye. So, I thought it's easing up. I'll just go and put the bags on the bike. I won't bother wearing my crash helmet because I get too hot. It's not raining. So I committed and went to put the bags on the bike, which I was doing, and then the heavens opened and it's still raining. But of course now my head's soaked, as well as my hands, and the Gore-Tex gloves I've got, I didn't really think about it at the time. They're nice and cozy and warm, but you can't put them on with damp hands. And so I'm just sort of sitting on the foyer in the hotel, waiting for my hair to dry a little bit before I put my helmet on, and then go and finish putting the rest of the bags on. Actually, it's only one bag that needs to go on, that's the tank bag, but I'll wait a few minutes. Maybe the sun will come out. I'll let you know if it does. Don't think it's going to. No, not here in Greece anyway. Not for 2 or 3 days. Catch you later. No external microphone! Just pray! But this is the border to North Macedonia, I believe. Hoping you can hear it. I'm just shouting at the moment. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Again, I don't know whether you can hear me. I'm shouting at the camera. I think that was probably exiting Greece. North Macedonia, I think that was there. Water crossing. Let's see what's involved here. So at the North Macedonia border, they've asked for the green card, and I'm just trying to open the green card. I'm in a chat with my insurance company, who have told me I don't need a green card travelling Europe. I need my insurance document, certificate, policy document, V5, registration document, and a UK sticker. I said, I've got all that, but I'm at the border. And he's saying, no way. I do need a green card. So hopefully, who I'm on chatting with at the moment, will sort me out. Helpfully said, have you shown him your insurance certificate? Yes, he still wants the green card. I thought they could just email it to me or upload it, because I've got the app for the insurance company loaded, but we'll see. Okay, so we're now through into North Macedonia to the tune of €55 lighter. What I didn't realise, my insurance company have got a list of excluded countries, so you know expect there to be exclusions. What I hadn't read in the small print was that it just said sort of former Republic of Yugoslavia or something or other, and that's Macedonia, so it's not covered. Okay, so you hope to be able to get just a like a one-day insurance travel through, because I'm just travelling through, but no, it's a 15-day minimum, which is €55, which is less than £4 a day, so not bad if you're here for 15 days. Makes you think, well, maybe I should stay for 15 days, get my money's worth, but I haven't got the time really. I'm just passing through for the day. Oh well, that's the plan. It's getting later and later, of course. You may have noticed the weather hasn't improved any at all. It's still chucking it down. Doesn't seem to have got any worse, but it's just very, very wet. The real downside is I couldn't pay for that insurance on a card. I had the cash, thankfully, but that's quite a bit. I don't know what would have happened if I didn't have the cash. Haven't really got anything to barter with. Anyway, this road is not very nice. Let you know any further updates, which might be the Albanian border if I get that far, but filming in this just doesn't really do much, does it? I've unplugged the mic, so I'm shouting at the back of it, but not only is it raining now, it's very thick mist, foggy thing as well. Very, very unpleasant indeed. That's motorcycling in all weathers for you. It's all part of the adventure, the journey. So I'm soaking, cold and hungry. Stopped for some petrol. Managed to find somewhere which serves coffee as well. I'm going to be the first to admit this. I'd forgotten that I had packed for all occasions, and I'd packed an oversuit, two-piece oversuit. So I haven't got completely soaked. I mean, I'm dry inside, but the textiles are soaked. I was getting cold. It's been sort of fairly mountainous, I suppose. I don't know what I'm heading into, so I've decided to put my outer layer on. Probably a bit after the horse has bolted, but needs must, and I feel warmer already. Had a couple of sandwiches, or 2 rounds of sandwiches, a Mars bar and a minuscule cafe latte macchiato. Nonetheless, I feel much refreshed now. Still 75 kilometres to the border with Albania.
Still 231 kilometres to where I was hoping to get to by the end of the day, but could happen. No, I don't think so. Anyway, I'll let you know how we proceed. Looks like there's a little bridge coming up too. Here we are. Super. Another one, 105 meters. Don't know if that's height or length. Ten kilometers from the Albanian border. Approaching the town of Debar, I guess. Wow. Quite a drop from one side to the other. Probably the last town we ought to be seeing within North Macedonia before Albania. So here we are at the border crossing. Very mountainous again, and I've only just realised I've gained a time zone. Somewhere on today's journey I travelled west enough. This is the SH6 in Albania. Maybe I should shout. This is the SH6 in Albania, just after the border crossing. It's a super road, and the views over the valley are amazing. Sorry I'm having to shout. Hope it picks it up. Truly is a very nice road. Those views. There's a breakdown truck ahead of us as well. I said, looks like there's a breakdown truck ahead of us as well. The road's gone all a little bit blur. looks like the surface is melted or something. Big dips. Bridge up the top there. I'll have to make a decision soon. Coming up to 5 o'clock. Still 116 kilometers away from Skoda, and the roads don't seem to be the supporting the 90 kilometers an hour type of road. I think this truly is the worst road. SH6, it was great earlier on, but the surface is broken. It dips everywhere and vibrates up, and there's massive great holes. Scenery's nice though. That is beautiful. Look at that. The setting it's in too. I have no idea if the sound will work on this, but the scenery is just so stunning on this SH6, be it best and worst road.